Fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some Guinness stew beef. Yes, I said that right. And here are our ingredients that we will be using. So, of course, the beef look a little bit different because I bought it whole and I'm going to work on it. Yes, I'm going to perform surgery. I'm going to cut it up, right? I'm going to cut off the excess fat. I'm going to be doing everything. So here I am slicing into it, getting it to where it needs to be. If you buy yours and it's already cut up and all that, that is nice. But I told my husband to buy me some beef and this is what he brought home. So here I'm cutting off the excess fat and yeah, you could actually cut that part off from the get-go before you start slicing into it, right? And here is some more excess fat on this little piece right here, and I'm cutting it off. So now here's the juicy-ish part. We are gonna cut it to our desired size. So you just go ahead and cut it how you want it. Don't do it too small because then remember it's gonna shrink, and when it cooked then it might get too soft and break up and then really be like minced beef. You don't want that. So yeah, just get it to the nice size. Of course, I'm not the cuttest in the family, right? My husband is the one who normally do the cutting up, the washing of the meat and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna bring him in to just finish up. And of course, he just ran through the thing. He did it all fast. He got it done in no time because this is his specialty. Of course, I can do it too, but I mean, why not? Come true, Obi. Yes, cut and cut. So here it is all done and washed and clean up and nice up and ready. I'm adding some salt. This is 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, and 3 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning. 4 is even better. And that is 3 tablespoons of the blended seasoning. I'll leave the video down below. And I added 2 or 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. You don't have to put the jerk seasoning, but a little extra seasoning never hurt nobody. So yeah, just rub it all up, and then it's better to do this the day before you want to cook it. It makes it nicer. And here I'm adding a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, because that is what I'm using as my browning. If you want to use browning, then add the browning. That is fine. Do what you gotta do. Here it is melted and ready. So add the beef. So we are going to sear the beef. Yes, we're going to be stirring for a while to try to get all of it to look brown and nice, right? So stir and stir, keep stirring, and I'll show you the difference, what you're looking for, what you're trying to accomplish, right? So here we're getting all up in there. So this is a piece that is seared. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're trying to accomplish. And this is the piece that ain't there as yet, right? So you don't need it to look like that. See, when I flip it over, you see that nice brown part? Yes, that's what we're trying to do. So you stir and stir until you accomplish that, right? So flip it over. That's what we're going for right there, that nice brown piece. And that little red piece, nah, that's not what we're going for. So stir and just continue to stir, right, on medium heat until we are here. This is it, Vybz fam. Yes, this is what we're looking for. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Yes, nice and ready. Get all up in there. This is it. And cover this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Vybz fam, did you take that all in? I promise you there's no water. I didn't add any water. This is all the natural juices. This is very important. Do not skip this step, right? Cover it for the 10 minutes. Okay, so here now I'm adding about a cup of hot water, not cold water, right? And to the bowl that I season the meat in, and then we're going to add it to it. So go ahead and pour that in, and then I'm going to leave it, cover it. So gather everything together, like shush it around, try to get the meat covered or in the water, the water all around. Cover it for half an hour, right? So not too much water and half an hour Vybz. So I'm just 30 minutes, and look at that gorgeousness. Ooh, 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 so good. And then we're going to push that to the side, and now we're adding our Guinness. So a bottle of Guinness, Vybz fam. Guinness, yes, that right there. So add it. Ooh, ooh, nice, nice. Pour it. And then, of course, we're going to just go ahead and stir that around, right? And now we're going, after this, we are going to add some other ingredients. So I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I'll be adding, right? So let me go over to the counter and show you. So here are the rest of the ingredients. So let's dash them in. So some thyme, onion, minced garlic, sweet peppers or bell peppers, and of course some scallion. And then you want to go ahead and shush that around, and we are gonna cover this for about an hour. Just cover it and cook it until tender. Here I'm adding some hot pepper flakes because I didn't have any what you call that, Scotch bonnet pepper. I added 4 tablespoons of sugar, that is to cut the bitterness of the Guinness, and an hour. God of mercy. So yeah, Vybz, that's my hobby, teasing me, because listen, the steam come through and burn me in my face. So yeah, Vybz fam, look at the tenderness of this. So you want to cook it until the fart goes through it, like nice and just so easy, right? So go ahead and give that a stir. Look at luscious, come through lush. Yes, ready body stew. So here I already have, I'm showing you the pimento seed. I already have pimento seed in there, but I think it needs some more. So I'm adding ground pimento in terms of the taste, because you need to taste it, make sure you taste as you go along. So taste it, and it needed some more pimento. Here I'm adding some, did I say it was ground pimento? Right. So here I added some carrot. So this is the point where if you want to add Irish as well, you can add the Irish. And in that case, you would cook it for 10 minutes. But since I'm only adding the carrots, I'm going to do it for 5 after this. So I added some black pepper, and we're going to go ahead and give that a stir. And as I said, only 5 minutes after this, because the carrot don't really need no cookation, right? So 5 minutes, and that's going to be us. Ooh, 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 ooh. Gravy, good, nice, lush gravy. So yeah, Vybz fam, this is us. Fire turn off and the bubbling a simmer down, as in the bubbles are reducing because the fire is now off. And this is us, nice and delicious. And Vybz fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious Guinness stew beef. And I am telling you, this is so good. So good. And yes, Vybz fam, make sure that when you add the Guinness and stuff, then you add the sugar, because remember, Guinness have this strong bitter taste, or So you need to add some sugar to offset the taste of it for make it like really, level it out a bit. But yeah, Vibes Sam, check out the steam and all the niceness. It is so good. So comment down below and tell me, would you try this recipe? But yeah, Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.